Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. So I'm here at the office. It's Sunday morning. The parking lot's empty. No one goes to work on Sundays except for me, it seems. So I just wanted to come to the office and talk about what happened yesterday. So number one, on my Instagram, I'm always posting what I'm doing every single day, how I'm repairing cars, what I'm doing to cars, my car acquisition, if I sold something, all of those types of things, right? And I give all my followers on Instagram 48 hours to purchase a car before I post an ad to the general public. So make sure you guys follow me on there if you're in Southern California. I like to sell anything enthusiast owned or just a cool car in general, right? So that's what I do over there. So secondly, after I gave all my followers 48 hours notice, I posted that ad live. And that car sold within an hour. I couldn't believe it. So my phone was ringing off the hook the entire time the ad was up. I had to remove the ad. I had about 6 people with super solid interest, and the first guy that came down, he ended up buying it. So let me tell you about this guy. So he rolled up with 3 of his friends, and one of them had an S2000, I think an accurate TL or a TSX, one of the two. But the guy didn't know how to drive stick, and I respect that more than you know, because the first car I ever bought was a EK hatchback, manual transmission. I had to have my buddy Gary go with me so that he could drive it home for me. It was a great experience, but you know what? That day I learned how to drive stick shift, and ever since I've been driving manual transmission my entire life, with exception to a couple cars that I've owned just because they don't come that way, right? So his buddy test drove the car. Man, that guy was banging gears through the entire thing. I told him I hope he's really interested in buying it because you're driving it pretty hard. But I wasn't worried. That's how you drive S2000. S2000 engines are strong, transmission is strong, all the servicing was current, all the liquid, or not the liquids, but coolant, coolant was new, gear oil was new, pretty much everything was new on that car. So I wasn't worried about him driving it hard. It's a great car, such a fun car. And when we came back to the office and he talked to his buddy, he gave me cash on the spot, and they took off, and they were more than happy to get the car. The guy also told me he's been looking for a clean S2000 for an entire year. I could not believe it. So when he saw the ad pop up, I guess he had some sort of alert that came on, and he called me right away. So that was pretty cool. So I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet, guys, but thank you so much for following me. Make sure you follow me, Green Owl Motors, on Instagram. Subscribe to these videos right here, comment down below, hit the like button, and share it to any family member or friend in California that you think would dig these videos. So again, these are all day in the life type videos that I release multiple times a week. So if you're into cars, you're an automotive dude, make sure to give me a follow, because I'm always getting into some type of mess. So again, thank you so much. Share the video, and these videos will keep coming out. All right, thanks so much.
And it's the US brand of Continental.
Oh, yeah.